GED Math. Practice Test 2026 5 questions. Question 1 of 5. What is 2/3 plus 1/4? Option A, March 7th. Option B, March 12th. Option C, November 12th. Option D, June 12th. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, November 12th. Find a common denominator. 12 2/3 equals 8/12, 1/4 equals 3/12. Add, 8/12 plus 3/12 equals 11/12. Question 2 of 5. Convert 0.625 to a fraction in lowest terms. Option A, May 8th. Option B, 6 out of 10. Option C, 625/1000. Option D, August 5th. Take a moment. The correct answer is A, 5/8, 0.625 equals 625/1000. Simplify by dividing both by 125, 625 divided by 125 is equal to 5, 1000 divided by 125 is equal to 8. So 0.625 equals 5/8. Question 3 of 5. What is 3/4 times 8/9? Option A, November 13th. Option B, February 3rd. Option C, 24/36. Option D, 11/36. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, 2/3. Multiply numerators and denominators. 3 times 8, /4 by 9, equals 24/36. Simplify by dividing by 12, 24/36 equals 2/3. Question 4 of 5. What is 0.4 times 0.25? Option A, 0.01. Option B, 0.1. Option C, 0.65. Option D, 1.0. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, 0.1. Multiply as if whole numbers. 4 times 25 is equal to 100. Count decimal places. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and place, 0.100 is equal to 0.1. Question 5 of 5. Express 2.5 as an improper fraction. Option A, February 5th. Option B, May 2nd. Option C, 25 out of 10. Option D, 5 out of 10. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, 5/2. 2.5 is equal to 2 plus 0.5 is equal to 2 plus 1/2 equals 5/2. Or write 25/10 and reduce, 25/10 equals 5/2.